In this comment of the week video, Zoltan Dabos asks, "Nice, I like your videos. Thanks. Can you explain in the next video what is that small lever next to the clutch? Is it the hot start lever or the decompression lever, or what is it? Why and when we use it? When can we use it? Also, I have a Sierra 450, but I'm newer. Never used this thing. What is it for?" Well, Zoltan, sorry if I butchered your name, but depending on which bike you have, it can be a manual decompression lever or a hot start. Now on your Honda CRF 450, most likely it is the hot start lever. And what this does is it's similar but opposite to what the choke does. So the choke, it's a lever that you pull up and it richens the fuel mixture, makes it easier to start when the engine is cold. But the hot start lever is great for when the engine is hot. So it's fully warmed up, you've been out riding, you stall the bike, or you just kill it and you need to start it back up again. You pull in this lever, kick the bike over, and it'll make it easier to start. It lets in more air, it leans out the mixture, makes it a little bit easier on your 4-stroke dirt bike. And as soon as you start it, you want to let go of that lever, because if you hold it on too long while the engine's running, it could damage it. If you have an older 4-stroke, the early years like 2001, 2002, it may have the hot start lever down on the carburetor. It would be the red knob that you pull up. So you pull that up when the engine's hot, start it, push it back down after you start it. Now on some older dirt bikes, especially the ones that have the hot start on the carburetor, the small lever next to the clutch lever could be the manual decompression lever. Now all modern 4-strokes these days have an auto decompression, so you don't even have to worry about it. What this does is it relieves some of the compression in the engine by opening up one of the valves. So 4-strokes, they have a lot of compression. This makes it harder to kick over, harder to start. So when this decompression valve, it opens up, it releases some of that pressure, it makes it easier to kick the bike over, to start it. If it's the manual decompression lever on your dirt bike, then how to use this? When you're starting the dirt bike, every time you start it, you want to slowly kick it over, turn the engine over until you get the most resistance. This will bring it to top dead center, and then you want to pull that lever in and then kick it over just a tiny bit more until it gets past that big part of resistance, and then you can go and kick the engine over and then let go of the manual decompression lever. You don't want to leave it pulled in because it can potentially do damage. I don't know exactly what, but it's only good for starting your engine. And this is generally on the older 4-stroke dirt bikes, especially the bigger ones that have more compression. So what is your #1 question when it comes to dirt biking? Whether it's choosing the right bike, fixing it, or how to ride, let me know in the comments below. And maybe you could be featured on the next Motocross Hideout YouTube comment of the week. This is Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more, so that you can stay safe and have fun for many years to come.